Hey Euro people, what is up and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got unlimited Pocket FM coins for free. Yeah guys, for free, absolutely online. And guys, I will show you everything step by step how you can get it for your Android or your iOS devices, or even you can get it with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website, it's called appsneak.com. You will find it easily guys. Search down below for Pocket FM, click there, and then we will have to enter our Pocket FM username. So guys, if you don't know how to find your username, it's pretty simple. Just click here, or let me enter. It's downtown99, it's mine. So when you enter it, just click continue. It will start searching for your user account and you should get this message, user found. So guys, there we go. Now we will have to select our amount of coins that we would like to receive to our account. I will select almost 1 million. It's currently the maximum. Click continue when you select this, and third step will load up, so API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. So yeah, let's see. So look at this guys, nice. API is connected, our user account is connected, and now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot guys, and let's see what we will get. So look at this guys, oh my god, thank you for passing the bot check. Coins are on the way guys, our username connected and our coins are sent. I'm so excited to open once again our Pocket FM and to go to this. Okay, so let's see. Still, oh my god guys, look at this. We're actually receiving our Pocket FM coins balance. Look at this guys, we got it for free. Oh my god guys, it actually worked. I'm so excited because appsneak.com is the only website where you can get all those amazing Pocket FM coins guys. I'm so happy because I'll use all those coins and I cannot believe that it actually worked. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.